Alrighty then. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so let's go ahead and stop break even, right? And let it ride, right? Okay, remember that the energies are bearish, but the going trend is bullish, all right? So here's our entry, 78, nice. Razor sharp entry, look at that mistake, 77, yep. 75, one tick of hit, right? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what a beautiful 77 entry, long. Oh my God, look at that mistake.
Gorgeous.
You love it?
I love it.
Alrighty then, so that's 82, that's plus 3, 4. Remember, we're not out of the woods because remember, all of the energies are bearish. Okay, so we're trading what everybody's trading. You're right, a pullback in an uptrend, in an obvious uptrend. Well, obvious for us, but not for a lot of other people. All right. Okay, so this pullback is nothing but squeezing the weak bulls. Okay. All right. So that's 84. So we're up. And so all right. Okay. Almost 84. Right. When I call it 84, 78 to 84. That's plus 6, ladies and gentlemen. Stop break even. That's right, Mr. All right, so our job is to let it ride. I'm not expecting a humongous move, all right, to 400, right? You know, I'm not anytime soon, all right. But that's where we think the price is going, to 400. All righty, 99, 402. That's where we think the price is going. All right, our job is to ride it. Okay, razor sharp entry, like beautiful, one tick of hit, and not only one tick of hit. Look at the swift bounce. So we had a razor spot. We don't have a 5 yet because we have to break. The. In this case, we have to break, what was the high mistake? 90, 91, right? Oh my God, that's not gonna happen anytime soon. Breaking 90, yeah, 91, right? We need to break 91 to have a triple crown, and that, my friend, ain't gonna happen easily. I mean, we've been patient, right? At 9, when the price was 88, we knew it was gonna bounce somewhere, so we were patient, man, for half an hour. Boom, beautiful. Took it, waited 31 minutes, went long. Price goes to 84.5, give us 5-6 points in a couple of minutes, and this is what I'm expecting to happen. All right, a clean break of 78, then, my friends, believe you me, we're gonna be going to 73. Not that much, but the important thing is not, in this case, it's not only where the price is going to go, but is there going to be a change in direction? Because if it breaks 78 and go to 73, but the direction is still bullish, then 73 is a even better entry long than 78, right?
Yeah.
In this case, not. A break of 78, the direction is no longer bullish. The direction is going to be bearish. All right, so we're going to have to change hats. And I'm telling you, okay, this might be one of those days that we have to change hats so many times that you're gonna get discouraged. Therefore, no shenanigans. All right? Okay. All right. Day trading is not about trading every day, but the right day. Okay? Okay? So, all right, so we're not gonna buy it, we're gonna sell it. Why? Because we know it's gonna go to 73. So 78, sure, right? We believe that the bears are going to win this battle. Break of 78, right? We're done with the short-term loan that we took here. We know that we're not going to go to 73 in one straight line. We know that, right? Okay, but we're changing hats. The short-term bullish. Not that it's not going to work. What do you think? It's not going to go straight right. Smart money, it's going to play around here, 78. 78 is extremely important on lever, right? But we have direction now. We believe that the bulls are the ones that are going to win, and they're going to take it to 73. That's what we believe. So we change hats. We don't go long again, 78. We already make our 6 points in 3 minutes. Now, we changing hats. I told you, didn't I say 2 minutes ago, it looks like this is going to be one of those days that we're going to have to change hats, Mr. Didn't I say that?
You did.
All right, so we just change hats. That doesn't mean that because we change hats that the price is going to go to 73 in one straight shot. We know that that's not going to happen, right? But now we have direction. Our direction, short term, is 73. Okay, all righty then. Okay, and we can change hats back to bull any second, right, Mystique?
That's right.
Isn't that what separates the professional to the amateur?
Absolutely.
Having the strength to change hats as many times be. Of course, if you don't have the odds as to what the direction is, where the price is going, then of course you're not gonna change hat. All right, we don't think twice to change. Okay, so that's what everybody's thinking right now. Oh my God, look at it! It was a squeeze below 78. We could have gone long 76. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Right?
Right.
No. We have to go with direction. The future intention of this short-term slot wave direction. We believe it's going to be 73. So we have to change that, right? If it goes back to 78, breaks 78, and then goes to where we wanted the price to go when we were long, and it goes all the way to 91, well, so be it. Well, we'll see if we have an opportunity to change hats back to bull, and then we ride it to 91. But so far, we're not going to do it, all right? So what is the price going to do now? Well, what do you think? This is an extreme shop thing, right? What are we going to have? Look at this. It's 75, 75, 85. These 10 points right here are going to be a pain in the butt for everybody.
PMIs now.
All right, PMI. Okay, all right. So this is going to tell us a little bit more information. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, PMI, right? PMI is the one that is taking 78. Oh my God, Capi, look, man, 78, man. Oh my God, look at that. He went all the way to 81, 82. All right, 4 points. That's not bad from 78, right? From 75, a little bit better. Okay, remember what I told you. We're gonna be playing this 10 points range right here, and we're gonna wait for the market to reveal itself to us. Okay, remember what I told you, that those 5, 6, 7 points that we made at the open, keep them. All right, ladies and gentlemen, bears. We want the price below 81, not 80, 81. Here it is, 81. Boom. Not this pivot high that the market plays. That's noise, all right? 81, as long as the price is below 81, we are counting on that drop all the way to 73. Okay, now is 78 gonna make it easy for us? 78, of course not, right? Look at the way it broke 78 to the upside. What do you think bulls are doing right now? They're adding to a winner right here at 78. We, on the other hand, we believe that it's gonna be taken, and it's gonna continue to 73. That's what we believe. Let's see, all right? So right here, 78, remember what I told you, 78. The price is gonna give everybody a hard time, 78. Smart money knows the importance of 78. So they're taking everybody out, 78 here, boom, break 78, and they're gonna break it to the downside, and they're gonna break it to the upside. They're gonna give us a hard time right here. So we're going with the future, 73. Well, let's see, right? Okay.
74.
All right, so we are below 81, right?
Yes.
Are we below 78? Yes, mistake.
Yes,
Look at that. 78, 78, the big one that crossed, right? So we are below 81, we're below 78. And we're testing, the low of the open. Okay, no problemo. All right, so that's 74. We want 73. Now, hey, Capi, is this thing going to take 73? And if it is, where the hell is it going to be going, right? Well, I'll tell you what, ladies and gentlemen, we have to, we have a bear cap. We believe the price is gonna go to 73. We took advantage of the bull of the bear squeeze, right? When the smart money took 78 and took it all the way to 83, right? That's all garbage. That's all noise. That's all trickery of the smart money. All righty? They knew that they had to go to 73, and we knew that they had to, right? And that's why we remain short above 78, right? Above 78, nice, going all the way to 73. So the market is dynamic. It's changing all the time. Is 73 target one? Well, under today conditions are tough, right? Look at that, back to 78. What is it? What did I say? What have I said 10 times today? Smart money is going to give everybody a hard time 78. It's going to confuse everybody here at 78. All right? So the multimillionaire teenagers on YouTube, they're going to go long. They're going to go long right here, 81, and bang, and then the price is going to take it down. Then they're going to go short right here at 74, and then bang, it's going to take it back to 78. They're getting destroyed right now because they don't have the future. They don't have a crystal ball, right? They don't have a picture of the future like we do. All righty? So the only way that you cannot get massacred by the smart money is you have to take a look at the picture of the future, right? And then that picture not only is going to tell you where the price is going, but how it's going to get there. And then when the picture is fuzzy, get the hell out, right?
That's right.
That's it. Get the hell out. And as long as we have direction, we're only interested in shorting, right? Until we get some strong support, and then we counter trend along, which is what we do every single mistake? Every single day. Thank you. All right. Only the teenagers on YouTube have the holy grail, right? One of these days, I'm gonna pay them $2,000, man. That's all they sell it for, $2,000. Or I'm gonna pay a scumbag selling me a garbage bot, right?
Gold digger.
Okay, let's see. Ladies and gentlemen, look at 78, mistake. Look, all right. Support, break, resistance, break, support, break, resistance, break. All righty. What did I say? You need to know not only what the market's going to do, but how it's going to do it. I told you, 78, the market's going to give everybody, meaning all bulls and bears, sloths, right, kangaroos, snake, everybody's going to give him a hard time. Is that 78, mistake? This pullback is to where?
78.
78 to the tick?
Yes.
What a shocker, right?
Right.
As if we didn't know that this is how the market was going to behave. All right. So now listen, ladies and gentlemen, we wanted 73, right? And the price goes to 74, 1.25 points to our first destination. Oh my God, yeah, that's right, CAPI. So, and we know that we have to be careful with 78, right? So, okay, so what do? Well, we still have a bearish sentiment. However, remember I told you 81, right? Look at this. This move above 81 to 82 is just, look at what happened right after the price took 81. It just couldn't. Boom, right back to 78. Look at it. And we know all of this because I've been describing you not only what the market is going to do, but how it's going to do it, right? All right, so listen to me. So we didn't get our 73, right? So, oh my God, yeah, that's right. Failure to follow through. Just like yesterday, remember? Okay, so when our system doesn't get at least our destination, that's a strong opposite direction. Okay, I'm gonna say this again. If the price doesn't go to all of you guys, you've heard me a million times say, hey, listen, I need the price to go at least to the tick, to my level. Once it happens, then I'm a lot more confident that we are on the right side, okay? Because 90% of the time it does. The price goes to my destination, right? When it doesn't, that's a signal that, oops, hey, you know what? Something's going on, and we have to be on the lookout for the opposite direction. So price didn't go to our 73, and we know 78 is gonna be a pain in the butt for everybody, right? And the price is where now? Above 78. So there is a possibility that that this thing, of course, we never let a winner turn into a loser, right? We've had a couple of winners, but what I'm saying is that the direction now, my friends, guess who's back in the picture?
Bulls.
That's right, 84. That's 84, 84, and 91. So, a break of 78, right? Two things. Number one, price didn't go to our 73. So that's a failure to follow through, right? If it doesn't, I've been telling you this for 10 years, right? All right, break 78. We know 78 is going to be a pain in the butt. 81, right? As long as we were below 81, then the bulls are in kind of the same control with everybody. Look at it, right? I told you, look out, 91. That's where it's going. Okay, that's where it's going next. Is it gonna break 91 and continue going? And if it continue going, where is it gonna go? Well, remember where we wanted to go initially? 99. It's back in business, baby. 99. This is what you need to grasp. When did we know that the bulls were gonna take back control? When I told you we didn't get our 73. So now so you know now, right? Oh my God, look at that, 73 price goes within 1 point. You know that it's okay to get out 1 point above, 1 point below of our destination targets, right? So price doesn't go, and I told you right here, when the price broke 78, I told you, hey, listen, ladies and gentlemen, we have to be on the lookout for another change of hats because the price didn't go. So that's the setup, is that the price never even tested our 73. So that makes it an opposite direction. And look at this beauty. 74 all the way to 88, right? So who is in control right now? The bulls. So what do we do when the price, if you hesitate to go long 78, break of 81. Remember I told you 81, as long as the price is 81, you know, it's okay to give it a shot. Once price takes 81, are you kidding? Where do you think it's gonna go? I told you, 84, 91, 99. All right? One straight line mistake? No. But we know now that the bulls are in control. All right. Is that 78 mistake? Tell me.
Yes.
Right? And I said 91, right? 91 is the high of our wave. Price goes to 89, 91. Look at that. Failure to look, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Look at this move up to 89. Prisatico says 91. That's 2 points. Failure to follow through. 2 points. Just like the one we got here, 73. Well, that one only was 1 point. But regardless, nevertheless, 1 point that the price didn't touch. It needs to touch our levels, period. If it doesn't touch it, that's an opposite setup. In this case, bullish, and now price goes to 89, and then look at the pullback right there, 2 points to our 91, failure to follow through. That makes it bearish again. Where is it gonna go? 78, the one that I told you, an hour ago?
Yes.
Smart money is gonna give all of us a hard time, 78. So we are still, letting the smart money, they're gonna reveal it themselves eventually, and we're gonna be there when they do it. So what is 78? Support. What do we do? We are bullish, right? Because we change our mind here. We change direction when the price didn't give it. It broke 71, it broke 81. We were expecting the price to go all the way to 91, right?
Right.
Okay, so what's the trade in command? Bullish, right? The price needs to destroy 73 for us not to want to be long anymore. So where do we go long? At our support. What's support? 78. You have to be prepared, though, to have 78 continue playing with you. But you have no choice. You have to take a shot 78. 78 is support. Look at this beautiful support, right? Okay. We're not going to go to 91 straight in a straight shot, right? When we have a failure to follow 89 and it doesn't go to 91, we're not surprised that the price pulled back all the way from 89 all the way to 78. We're not surprised on this 11-point pullback because we know that it couldn't test our 91. Alrighty? So this doesn't scare you. On the contrary, our current play is long, and we're gonna continue buying support, expecting the price to just go to our 91, and then we take it from there. Price breaks 78. We are still bullish sentiment, and then what is going to invalidate the main play long? Destroyment of 73. As long as that doesn't happen, our job is to continue buying, right? Hey, but what about this 11-point drop when the price didn't follow through and it went to 91? What about it? Shouldn't we be sure already? No. This is a counter trend of the counter trend of the counter trend. All right, we're going with the main play, and we're gonna stay like that until it is invalidated. Okay, that's the most important thing. Remember what I told you an hour ago. I am not expecting a big trend, trending day to day. Look at it, right? Okay, overall market direction sideways. Most of the energies are bearish. The going trend was bullish all over the place, right? Break of 78, then we're gonna really start taking it easy because we're done with this breaking of 78, okay? All right, ladies and gentlemen, by way of 93, okay? All right, by way of 93. That 400, still there, 99, by way of 93. So in other words, I'm expecting the price to eventually test our high, right? We have to be extremely careful with counter trending short 91. We're gonna let it ride because the price, the direction is bullish. We're long right here, 78. Okay, never took it. We were prepared to also buy 73, right? So we have a smaller position. It's okay. Don't worry about a day like today. You don't want to have a big position, believe you me. So what's the forecast? That we are indeed going to test 91. It's going to be more shenanigans. We're not going to counter trend 91 because we know that the intentions of the price is to go to 99 by way of 93. What is by way of 93 means? This is where the price is going to be stopped first before going to 99. Okay? So let's ride it all the way to 99, ladies and gentlemen. From 78 to 99, 400, right? That's pretty good. That's 20 points, Mystique. That's not too shabby, is it?
Not too shabby.
There you go. Let's do it then. Did we get it, Mystique? 91?
To the tick and it
To the
kept
tick
going.
and it's going?
Yeah.
All righty then. Where to? 93, right?
Yes.
It's going to stop it right there a little bit, but we're going to ride it all the way to 99. Stop break even, start trailing. Do your thing. So the market revealed itself to us right here, right, Mystique? Once again, market revealed itself.
Correct.
All right, we have to put up with all this stuff, right? All the way till 10 and change. But the market always reveals itself to us. Okay. Is that 93, Mystique?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Positive.
Okay.
93.75.
All right. Do we expect a straight line all the way to 99?
We never do.
No, we don't. Okay. So, 93 from 78. How many points is that from our another razor sharp entry loan? 78, 78, 88, 89. 15 points?
Yep.
That I'm okay with that, of course. So I told you, right?
Yes.
The price is going to be stopped by 93. So we're not going to counter trend short 91 because it'll go to 93, right? So what's the counter trend short 93? And look at it. Because remember, we want to take advantage of every single ebb and flow of the market. We want to be long the low, we want to be short the short, right? Not all trends are created equal. They're not all big. Some are big, some are short, some are intermediate, right? But we want to take advantage of every single support and resistance. We know 93 is going to stop the price. What do you think an aggressive trader does? Take a shot short, counter trend short, 93, right? 93 half, 93 quarter with a smaller position because remember, the main play is 99, all right? So just take advantage of the pullback. And we know that those pullbacks sometimes end up being another trend. So you gotta take it. What do you know? I mean, look at that. 3 ticks of heat for that counter trend short. Come on, right? Look at this beautiful counter trend short all the way to 87, right? From 93 to 87. That's 5 points in 5 minutes. That's pretty good, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Alrighty then. Now we are on an uptrend, expecting the price to continue to 99, right? All right, so if it never goes, so we're making money when the price goes up, we're making money when the price goes down, we're making points when the price goes up, and we're making points when the price goes down. We're taking advantage of every single move of the action today. On a day like today, Mystique,
Pretty awesome.
look at it.
Yeah.
All righty, okay. Direction is king. All this action, all the way until 10:17 when we had our final support and finally we nailed the trend. All this chart right here is by design. That's what they do. That's why most traders, even good traders, they say, you know what, I'm going to stay away from the open. I don't want to go through that. We are masters trading the open. We love the open. So once again, you not only need to know where the price is going, but how it's going to get there, right? So 91 is our target one. We want to let it ride all the way to 99, and who knows where else are we going to continue riding it, right? I don't have it yet. I don't have target 2 yet. 99 is our destination, of course. Remember that 400 is one of our system alignment, and we all know that 400 is a psychological level, right? It just so happened that today is in alignment with one of our resistances. So I'm pretty sure. Forget about pretty sure. What the hell am I saying? I'm pretty sure. The strategy is, and the forecast that it's not going to be taken easily, so it's going to be an okay, another counter trend short. Look at this one right here, that 93, beautiful, right? Look at it. Okay, I believe that's 95.
Correct.
You like it?
I love it.
Okay. All right. 96. Let's take this from the beginning. So this uptrend, it's real. We believe. You know exactly what I mean when I say it's real, right? So I am expecting a test of 99 and 402. So target, all right, so target 2, ladies and gentlemen, is right here, 99, 402. All righty then, so I believe that's 99 to the tick, correct me if I'm wrong, and this is the beginning of target 2, which is 99,402, time right now 11:40, and it looks like this is gonna be a beautiful day.